Good morning to all. Myself Ritu Sachi. I am BSc Nursing through Index Medical College. My topic is acute renal failure. Firstly, introduction we will see that acute kidney failure is also called as acute renal failure or acute kidney injury. Develop the rapidly, usually in less than few days. Acute kidney failure is most common in people who are already hospitalized or particularly in critically ill people who need intensive care. Definition of acute kidney failure. Acute kidney failure occurs when your kidney suddenly become unable to filter waste product from your blood. When your kidney is lose their filtering ability, dangerous levels of waste may accumulate in your blood's chemical makeup may get out of balance. The, this sorry. The definition is acute kidney failure is suddenly your kidney is unable to filter waste product from your blood. When your kidney is loss of filtering ability, dangerous levels of waste may accumulated and your blood chemical makeup may get out of balance. And the causes an infection, liver failure, medications, aspirins, ibuprofen, naproxen, cause inhibitor like subrexis, blood pressures of medication, heart failure, surges, burns and of dehydration, blood or fluid losses. Causes are liver failure, blood pressures of medication, heart failure, serious burns of dehydration, blood fluid of losses and infection. Third is blood, cervical, colon or prostate cancer, enlargement prostate, kidney stones, nerve damage in your bladder or blood cells in urinary tract. Something has directly damaged your kidney like blood clots, cholesterol deposits. Medications can directly damage kidney including NSAIDs like ibuprofen and naproxen, chemotherapy and antibiotic, glomo, glo, glomo, glomophiros, glomo, glomerulonephritis, inflammatory kidney filter can be caused by infection, autoimmune diseases, and like a lupus, multiple myeloma, scleroderma, chemotherapy, drugs of antibiotics. The see the pathophysiology of renal calculate. We will see the pathophysiology. Microrabal insufficient complemented and coagulations of pathway activation, prolapse of activation, hairpin sublations, free radial formation, cytokine secretions, cellular involvement, neutrophil necrophages, and anti-inflammatory status, increased IL, poor phagocytosis, deranged immune functions, impaired chemotaxis, lymphocytes apoptosis, mitochondrial dysfunctions, and metabolic acidosis, apoptosis and necrosis, capillaries leakages, impaired vascular environment, and endothelial dysfunction of thrombosis. Symptoms of symptoms decrease the urine output, although occasionally urine output remains. Fluid retention causing swelling in your legs, ankle or feet, shortness of breath, fatigue, confusion, nausea, weakness, irregular heartbeat, chest pain or pressure, seizure or coma. In severe cases, the symptoms are fatigue, confusion, nausea, weakness, irregular heartbeat, chest pain or pressure, decreased urine output, shortness of breath and fluid retentions. And third is diagnostic evaluations. Diagnostic evaluation is the waste product waste product in your Creatinine is a waste product in your blood that may made by muscle activity. Normally, it removed your body limb by your kidney, but if your kidney stop working, your certain levels blood your kidney. But if your kidney is stop working, your certain levels of crisis urine nitrogen is another waste product in your blood. It is certain when protein from the food is broken down like a certain your kidney remove this from of your blood when your kidney stop working. Urea nitrogen levels. Serum potassium is a substance found in your blood that balance water levels in your bloodstream. Kidney diseases can cause either high or lower potassium level. Serum sodium is another substance in your blood that helps with fluid balance in your body. High sodium levels can mean then your kidneys aren't working properly because your body can get right in your high right amount of sodium. Urine nitrogen is another waste product in your body, in your blood. It is created when your protein from the food had broken down like a certain your kidney remove your from your blood when your kidney stop working when your urine nitrogen levels rise. Serum potassium substance found in your blood that balance water levels in your bloodstream. Kidney disease can cause either high or lower potassium level is another substance in your blood that helps with fluid balance in your body. High sodium level can mean that your kidney aren't working properly because your body can get right amount of sodium. Your doctor will check your pre-blood protein. They will also look for certain. The results help your doctor understand what's causing your kidney failure. Urine output measurement. The measurement how much urine by you pass in 24 hours. You will get container to take home, pee into and in the rectum into the lab after full of 24 hours. It can help your doctor determine why you are having a kidney failure. Kidney biopsy is a procedure of where the doctor is push a needle through your skin in the and takes out small pieces of your kidney to look under the microscope. It can show there in any damages of disease in your kidney. Imagine some tests like ultrasonography, CT scan can show whether kidney and enlargement of others blockage in your urine flow. Diagnosis version one by one we will see the serum potassium, serum sodium, urine nitrogen. Urine nitrogen is a waste product in your body. In your blood, it is created when the protein from food broken down like a certain. Your kidney remove the from your blood when your kidney stop working. Your urine nitrogen levels. Serum potassium substance found in your blood balance water levels in your bloodstream. Serum sodium is another substance in your blood that help with fluid balance your body. Higher sodium levels can mean that your kidneys aren't working properly because your body can get rid of right amount of sodium. Kidney biopsy. The procedure where the doctor places needle through your skin and takes small pieces of your kidney to look under the microscope. It can show there damages your disease your kidney. Imagining tests. Some tests like ultrasonography, CT scan can show whenever your kidney enlarged. The blockage is your urinary formation. Management of management. The doctor will limit the amount of salt and the potassium. Your doctor will limit the amount of salt and potassium you get until your kidney heals. that the substance are removed from our body through your kidney. Medications. Your doctor may prescribe medications and regulate the amount of phosphorus and potassium in your blood. When your kidney fail, they can remove the substance from your body. Medications won't help your kidney, but may reduce some their problems of kidney failure causes. Dialysis. If your kidney damage in severe enough, you may require hemodialysis unit. Your kidney can heal. Dialysis does not help kidney heal, but takes over the work of kidney until they do. If your kidney do not heal, dialysis could be a long time. Complication of acute renal failure. Fluid fluid buildup. Acute kidney failure can sometimes. Complications of fluid buildup. Acute kidney failure and can sometimes acute kidney failure can sometimes cause a buildup of fluid in your body. If your fluid build up in your lungs, they can cause of shortness of breath, chest pain in your lining that cover your heart become inflamed. You may have chest pain, acidic blood. If your blood has too much acid due to acute kidney failure, you can end up with a nausea, vomiting, drowsiness and breathless, muscle weakness. When your body fluids and the electrolyte are out of balance, you can muscles weakness. When your body fluid and electrolytes are out of balance, you can get muscles weakness. In serious cases, that can lead to paralysis, can heart of rhythmic problem. Permanent kidney damages. Acute kidney failure can become chronic and your kidney will stop working almost entirely or completely. This is called end stage of renal disease. This is happiness. You will need to go on a permanent dialysis to filter blood and remove the toxins or the get a kidney transplant. Death. Acute kidney failure can lead to loss of kidney functions that is so bad it can causes of death. What are the complications of the acute renal failure? Fluid buildup. Acute kidney failure can sometimes causes of buildup of fluid in your body. In fluid buildup in your lungs. This can cause of shortness of breath and second chest pain. If the lining of that cover your heart become inflamed, you may have chest pain. Acidic blood. If your blood has too much acidic due to acute kidney failure, you can end up with nausea, vomiting, drowsiness and breathlessness. Muscle weakness. When your body fluids can electrolyte are out of balance, you can get muscle weakness. In serious cases, this can lead to paralysis and heart of rhythmic problem. Permanent kidney damage. Acute kidney failure can become a chronic and your kidney will stop working almost entirely or completely. This called of end stage of renal diseases. If there is happiness, will need to got a permanent dialysis to filter your blood and remove the toxins. That acute kidney failure can lead to loss of kidney functions that is so bad it can cause of death. And prevention of acute renal failure. Be carefully when taking over-the-counter OTC pain medications. Whenever you can take an access medication like aspirin, ibuprofen, naproxen, or other types of OTC pain medication like acetaminophen. It's important to read to follow the recommended dosing instructions on the packages. Follow your doctor advice. If you have a higher risk of getting acute kidney failure because of pre-existing kidney disease or other other condition, make sure to follow your doctor advice to treating the managing your conditions. Keep the healthy lifestyle. Eating right and drinking little or non-alcoholic can go a long way of preventing acute kidney failure. We will see the definition of acute renal failure. Acute kidney failure occur when your kidney suddenly become unable to filter the waste water. Acute kidney failure is that kidney suddenly become unable to waste product from your blood. When your kidneys lost their filtering ability and dangerous to levels, waste molecular may accumulate your blood chemical makeup and may get the out of balance, and causes of liver failure, any infection, heart failure, blood pressure of medications, serious burns of dehydration, blood or fluid losses, and enlargement of prostate, kidney stones, nerve damage in your bladder, blood clots, cholesterol deposits, medications that can directly damage the kidney, including NSAIDs, ibuprofen. Medications are naproxen, ibuprofen, chemotherapy, and antibiotic. Pathophysiology symptoms are weakness, nausea, confusion, fatigue, irregular heartbeat, chest pain or pressure, seizure of coma in severe cases, and shortness of breath, decreased urine output, fluid retention causing swellness of your legs, ankle or feet, and diagnosis evaluation of serum potassium, serum sodium. Serum potassium is substance found in blood balance water level in your bloodstream. Kidney diseases can cause either or lower potassium level or substance to your blood help to fluid balance in your body. High sodium level can make kidney aren't working properly because body can rid of kidney right amount of sodium. Kidney biopsy procedure wherever doctor places the needle through skin. Small pieces of kidney look up under a microscope. It can show the log of damaged disease on your kidney. Imagine some tests like ultrasonography management, dialysis in kidney damages several enough may require hemodialysis until your kidney can heal. Dialysis does not help kidney heal but take over work of kidney until they do. If your kidney do not heal and dialysis could be a long time. Your doctor may prescribe medication and regulate amount of phosphorus and potassium in your blood. Complications of chest pain, acidic blood, muscle weakness, and permanent kidney damage, death. Acute kidney failure can lead to loss of kidney functions that it is so bad it can cause of death. Permanent kidney damage, acute kidney failure become chronic and your kidney will stop working almost entirely or completely. This is called end stage of renal diseases. Chest pain, the lining that covers your heart becomes inflamed. You may have chest pain. Preventions: be careful when taking over the counter OTC pain medication. Whenever you are taking NSAIDs medications like aspirin, ibuprofen, naproxen, and other types of OTC pain medications like acetaminophen is an important to read the follow of recommended. Follow the doctor's advice. Keep healthy lifestyle. We exercise, eating right, and drinking little or non-alcoholic, and can go long way prevention acute kidney failure. Be carefully taking over the counter when you are taking NASA medication. Aspirin, ibuprofen, naproxen is the pain medication is the important, and follow recommended dosing instruction of packages. Thank you.